Hello, welcome to the Factual Point. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, finding focus can seem like an elusive goal. But fear not, for in the chaos lies the opportunity to cultivate a laser-sharp focus that can transform your life. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the keys to unlocking that focus. Step 1. Embrace stillness. In a world filled with constant noise, taking time for stillness is crucial. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and let the stillness guide you to the core of your being. Step 2. Define your priorities. Life is a series of choices. What matters most to you? What are your dreams and aspirations? Define your priorities and let them guide your decisions. Step 3. Time management. Time is a precious resource. Learn to manage it wisely. Prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and allocate time for what truly matters. Step 4. Nourish your body and mind. A healthy body and mind are essential for focus. Exercise regularly. Eat nutritious foods and ensure you get enough rest. A well-nourished body paves the way for a focused mind. Step 5. Embrace challenges. Challenges are not roadblocks, they are stepping stones to growth. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them sharpen your focus. Every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. Step 6. Celebrate milestones. Take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This positive reinforcement will fuel your motivation and keep you on the path to focus. Step 7. Minimize distractions. In a world filled with constant stimuli, it's essential to minimize distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications, create a focused workspace, and reclaim your attention. In the symphony of life, focus is the conductor that brings harmony to the chaos. By embracing stillness, defining priorities, managing time, nurturing your body and mind, facing challenges, celebrating milestones, and minimizing distractions, you can unlock the power of focus and lead a purposeful life. Remember, focus is not just about what you choose to do, it's about what you choose not to do. So, go forth, stay focused, and make every moment count. Dear friends, please do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section. I hope this video is useful for you. See you in the next video and please subscribe to the Factual Point and bye.